Okay, I'll do recording for that. Okay, so class, last week we have a cube, right? So we walking. So today we'll have a players. Okay, so go to left hand side. So he will walk to the left hand side. Okay, go to the right hand side. So he will walk to the right hand side. So go up. Go up. Go down. Sit on the chair. Sitting on the chair. So sleeping. 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 What is the command already? Wait. Skip. Okay, so we have this. So we'll have the left hand side, right hand side, sitting and also sleeping. So you will have the animations to sleep. Okay. Okay, so now you need to go for the Mixamo. Still remembers that last week we are using Mixamo, right? I'm using this account. Okay, so you can log in. Okay, now we wanted to download the characters that we uploaded to the Mixamo. Okay, I want you to download the fur animation. Okay, so not bad. Okay, class. Now I want you to download 4 of the animation. Okay, which is we wanted to have a walk. Okay, idols, sit, okay, and sleep. Okay, I want you to download these 4 animation from Mixamo. Download 4 animations from Mixamo. Okay, so you go for Mixamo. Okay, and then you have your characters, right? So upload your characters. Last time we have our characters. So you go and find the characters that you are download. I remember it's this one, right? Is it this one? Okay, so just drag and drop the females to the Mixamos. Still remembers that you are using this website. Okay, I have this. So next, so you put it for rigging, auto rigging. So this one, this one, this one, and this one here. So next. Okay, now done already. Next. Okay, so now, okay, I want you to download these four animation. So we can search for the animation. You click the animation tab here. Okay, you search for walk. Okay, so you can select one of the walking animation. Okay, for example, you take this one. Okay, class, this one, it will be moved forward, so the geometry will be changed. So remember to check this one in place for your walking. Remember to check this one in place. Okay, so first time for your downloading, you need skin only. The rest no need to download skin. And the format, okay, we choose FBX for Unity. Yes, we use the Unity game engine. Choose this one, FBX for Unity with skin. So click download. Okay, so the rest, for example, like idols, okay, we download without skin. You want to download with skin also can, but I feel like it's take times and they're also expensive lah. Okay, so just choose the idols that you like it. So for this one, I take this one for examples. I take this one, okay. So download. You can choose your own patterns. You can choose the your favorite. So for example, if you like this one also can. Okay. So I prefer. Yeah, okay. Can also lah this one. So this one also okay lah. So make it more big difference a bit so you can see the changes, right? Okay, so now you click download. Okay, now download without skin is okay with skin also, no problem. But without skin will be faster lah. See, downloading also fast, right? Okay, and then we'll have seed. Okay, seed animation, seed. You can have download the dance also. Okay, if you want to modify. Okay, but in my tutorial I will have seed now. So the seed one, I choose. Okay, I choose this one. Oh wow! Oh my god, cannot. I think girl seed like this will be more polite lah. Or like this. Okay. Okay. So the swing less bit. Okay. So if you want like this also can. Depends on your chair. Oh my god. I think this one, I prefer this one. Okay, so you click download, same FBX for Unity without skin because the first one we already have skin. Okay, you can choose either one got skin then can already. Okay, four of it you choose one to have skin, the rest no need to have skin. So last one is sleep or lay down. So maybe we type the sleep. Okay, so okay, I'm choosing this one. Okay, sleep on. Oh my god. Okay, can okay, download it. So now you have 4 animation in your hand right now. Can? Okay, so now done already. Okay, class. So you can have a character folders and you say my characters. Okay, so drag and drop all your characters that you download. So just now I download here, right? Just drag and drop to your scene here. Can any of you have issue? Okay, so now you have your characters here. You see when you open these three, okay, they don't have the character inside. It only have animation file. Okay, so means that this is the animation file. Okay, you select the, okay, I need you select all of them. I think need one to do one by one. Don't know can one time or not. 1, 2, 3. Oh, cannot class. You need to do one by one. Okay. Currently still don't have this function. Okay, you go for the characters first. These characters. Okay, make your material and you extract the material. Extract the material, and then you right click. You say a folder. So you type the characters material. So all the material will be stored to this folder. So you select the folders. So now you see all the material, it will be downloaded here. Okay, so this is your characters. This is your characters. Okay, this one done. Okay, I repeat. Go to material, extract material, open the folders, you rename it as a character material. If you didn't open the folder for it, right, it will be extract to here. So it will very messy. Okay, but it's okay, so you can just select all of them, drag to the new file. To keep it also can, no issue. So now you need to go to your rig here, rig, this one, right? You select your characters here, you select rig, so you choose the humanoid, so remember to click apply. This one is meaning that the animation type. If you want normal animation, like for example your ball bouncing lah, you open your chest lah, so it's using the generic. Okay, so now because we are human animation, so we choose the humanoid. The animation type we change to humanoid. Then remember to click apply. Okay, now your animation it will change to humanoid already. Okay, so now you drag your characters to your scene. Okay, you'll notice that it's too small. Is it very small? Okay, for the sample, I'm putting 100%. I'm putting 100, so to make it bigger size. Okay, I make it bigger size, I put it 100. Okay, so now you notice that your characters don't have any textures with it. Okay, it's plain like this. So to add your animations, to add the material, you will see this is the material. So this is fabric, right? So it's a cloth. So you put it your cloth textures. Okay. So fabric 3, then fabric 4. Okay, for examples. So you will have your cloth with it already. Okay, so now this is why you see the armor. So you can use the colors or you can use the skin textures lah. Here I'm using this color. So 255, maybe these skin colors. So you can choose the skin color that you feel comfortable with lah. So I'm using this. Okay, so this is the value lah, 255, 228 and 196. So you can use this one for all the other skin. So the face, right, the face as well you can use lah. Okay, so now with your hair, so this one is the eye. So eye normally is the black color, is it? Eyeball. Eye 2. Okay. Maybe the blue color. Oh my god, so scary. Okay. Maybe you can download the textures with eyeballs. So then you can we go and download eyeball. Eyeball textures. Which one will look better, sir? I'm not sure. So maybe this one is licensable. So we can take this one. Okay, save image. So your pictures is eyeball. So try lah. Just drag it to your scene here. So you can put it the eyeball here and you put it white color. with white color. So you see it look normal lah. Okay, it look okay, right? So as this one as well. Okay, you put it the white colors. So now you have your eyeballs inside lah. Okay? Can? Is it look okay? If you're not okay, you need to do some adjustment. You can make it your offset left and right a bit lah. So I think the one okay lah, right? So offset you can move your eyeball lah. Okay? So this one. I think one will be okay. Okay, do you think the eyeball okay? So now you can check your hair lah. This one is your face, your leg, because this one face we already using the same skin. Actually you can delete it. Your leg you also can delete. Your eye you can just use one so using the same. So this one is the skin. I'm using this one already, so it's okay. So eyelash eyelash normally we are using the black colors lah. So for this one as well, I cannot choose it. So the hair also the black colors, maybe you can have another colors as well. Okay, maybe your hair you can use this one also can, no issue. So this one is your hair and this one also your hair Okay, can? Oh, you make it different color, so petals. So this one is your hair. Okay. So then this one is left shoe, so your shoe lah. So your shoe you want to make it this. This one is shoe, left shoe. Okay. Maybe you can put it like this. So you can put it your shoe like this. Okay. Okay. Then this one is your left shoe, right shoe, right shoe. So I don't need it okay, because I'm using the same texture material Okay, so now okay already. So this is your final Where is the eyelash Another eyelash Oh my god, you cannot select this one Oh my god, where is this eyelash left, right, left. Okay, so we can add it. Okay, so now can already our eyelash okay, is it okay? So for me I think like this can Okay, so then we continue with our characters or the other animation. You select the humanoid as well. Select for all the other animation. Okay, you select humanoid, apply. This one as well. You click humanoid, click apply. So now done already for your players everything's. Okay. So now, last time we have our cubes as our player, correct or not? So now we rename it. We rename this person, okay, as our players. We rename it as players, okay, and we make the tags is add tags. We add one tag here. We tag the player, okay. So save it. Sorry, player. Then click save. Oh, what happened? Oh, player. So you select the players here. Okay? You have the tags with player. Okay? Your players and then with the players tag here. So, okay. So this one we done already. The material we done already. Okay. So this one done. Okay, now we need to add the capsule collider for our characters. You select our players here. We add component. Okay, we type the capsule colliders. So this capsule collider, you see the colliders is here. So you need to click this to edit. Click this button. Click this button, okay, to edit it. So you edit your characters here, you drag here, and then you this one you make it like this. Okay, so this is your characters. Okay. Okay, so we make it like the positions of our characters is 0, 0, 0. Okay, so it's roughly here. Supply variable. Okay. Okay. So this is our players. Okay, so why I still got one more person? Okay, so this is our player. Okay, you see this is our player. You can hide your cube. Actually, you can hide your cube. Okay, or you can delete it. And don't delete it because we still have the coding there. Okay, done. Okay, now we wanted to add the scripts to our players. So now we look at this script because we are using UI thing. So we added the using Unity Engine.UI. And this is our movement. So we have our commands. And this is the word that from the speech recognition. Okay, the speed, I think 2000 a bit more. So we can reduce to 10, sorry. Okay, so now you move commands, okay, equals to your or the lower because sometimes it's come out with the capital letter. So it's a case sensitive, so it will detect it as error. So we make this one. So we meet our movement directions is the 0. And this one is because of last time we used the cube. So we cannot see which is the front of the cube. But now we are using human. We have back, we have front, we have left and right. Okay, so now we'll make our characters facing up. So when facing up is like vector dot facing forward. And if you move down, then the characters will face directions to the back. And this one is direction to the left, and this one direction to the right. Okay. I think we directly use this script easiest. Okay, so okay, then we're using this one. Okay, actually the same lah, just the different way to write. We make it because we have the animation with it animator already, right? So we contain the book up. Okay, we have the commands up, down, left, right, sit, and sleep. So now if the director's movement is start with the 0, so if up, so it will be facing up, facing forward. This one if down, facing backward, and left will be facing left. Then the right, it will be facing right. And then it will be walks lah. So then it will be rotate based on the direction that we are mentioned. Okay, when and then it will be move forward lah. Okay, move to that side. And this is the animation that we set Boo and force for our walking and sitting. So we to control our movements lah. It will be anim.setBoo. So once you want to call the anim here, so you need to have the animator anim and anim equal get the component animators here. If you notice, right, for our player, you have an animator here. Can you see the animator here? Okay, so make sure all your characters is humanoid. Click remember should click apply. So here, okay. So now for our player, we have the animator. In Unity, if you want to use the animation, you need to use animator to control it. For our humans, the other animation also need it. Okay, so this one you don't have, right? Okay, so you can, this one I already have one. Okay, so I redo one more. Okay, so class right click, create, okay, animation, animator controller. Okay, here in your project windows here, okay, right click, create, animation, animator controller. Is it okay? So we need rename it as a player animator. Player animator. Can this one can be any name. Okay, but I prefer to use the player animator. Okay, once you done this one, right click. I repeat. Right click, create, animation, animator, and you rename it as player animator. Then you double click this one. Okay, double click, then you will see this one. Okay, so class we have 4 animation, which is idols, walk, and sit, and you have sleeping. So I can see. Okay, you do it like this. Okay, the sitting, walking, idols, laying, sleep, mean that idle here. So like this, this is the samples. Okay, so go this one. Now you have empty, right? Goes to your characters. This is your character, correct or not? You drag the animation for idle. Okay, this one, right? Idle. So idle first. Okay, so make it as a base. The default one. And then make sure all is a humanoid. You see, all is a humanoid. Humanoid and humanoid. Okay, this one you drag this one. Okay, this one is sleep. If you confusing, you can rename it as a sleeping. Okay, sleeping. So this one is sitting, sitting. And one more is walking, right? So drag and you have a walk here. Okay. So you can see, okay, now you make this direction. Idle, go to sitting, sitting, go back, walk, idle to walk, walking, walking, go back to either sleeping, then go back to sleeping. Okay, so this one make transition. You right click, make transition. This one. Okay, this one right click, make transition. This one go back. Okay, this one go back. This one go back. Okay, it will look like this. Okay, so now this one parameter boost, okay, with your script must be same with this. So it's working. Okay, then it's sitting. Boo. So last one is sleeping. Okay. So now for your condition, this one, I make it bigger size a bit. Okay, so now from idle to sleeping, so for sure the condition, you see the condition here is sleeping, for sure is sleeping. You choose is sleeping is 2. Okay, this one. Okay, so from idle to walking, this one is walking now for sure. This one from idle to sitting is sitting. Okay, check is walking, is sleeping. Okay. So now you need to make sure that if you go for idle, so is sleeping, this one is walking, and this one is sitting. True. Okay, so now you go to your players here. You see your controller here, you need to add in your animators here. You add in your animator. Okay, or else you do now, it's not functioning if you didn't put it inside. Okay, you need to put it inside, attach it, and tell that what animator you want to use. Okay, so after that we need to have the player movement script already. So for your script, okay, you still remember that last week you have that animations scripting, right? Okay, I remember it's a player movement. So okay, this one, player movement. So you add your players and then add the player movement. Add your script, player movement to your players. Okay, and then remember the output text. You select the transcript. So your output text. Okay, so copy the code from this document. Okay, the latest one, the last one, okay, to here. Okay, replace it. Okay, now I explain the codings class. Okay, because we have UI, so we use this tag, so we need to have this. Okay, and then this is the move speed. Okay, this because the animator is represent that just now we are using this animator. Okay, so now the anim, you see anim. Okay, anim dot set bool. So we are using the bool, right? So remember just now we are using the parameter and we use the bool. So we call this one. Okay, we call the animation. So once we anim dot set bool, we set the is walking age depending of this one, this one. So if sitting bool, this one sit. If the direction is not 0, so it will be walking. Okay? For example, it will be forward, back, left, right? So it will be walking. And sitting is, you see, when we have a command, and our command, this is CDM, so our command, right? So just now we speech recognition, the text, the word. We say sleep, so it's contain the word sleep. So our bool sleep condition for sleep will be true. So when the true, then it will call the animation is sleeping true. So our animation will change to sleeping. So when we give the command sit, so our sit will become bool already. So then our sit will be goes to bool. So sitting is bool right now. So if no content the sleep means that the sleep is become false. Right? Can? So because of we depends on our text, we speak what? Okay, this one is the directions. Okay, if it contain the up, so it will go to the direction forward. Okay, if down, direction backward. If left, so left. You see, contain the left word. Left will true. True, if true, then direction goes to left. So then based on the direction, it will be walk. If the direction is not equal to 0, it will have movement. So it will be moved to it will rotate to the direction, and then it will translate. So it's just simple like that. Okay, so now you can test your things, see can work or not. You can try testing. So this is your player, right? So you have the players here. So now you can try with your player. This one. Go to left. See? It will be walking. Okay. Go to right. Go to right hand side. Why is it don't have the... Okay, maybe my walking there I need to do adjustment. Need to check. Oh yeah. Okay, for our animation. Okay, because of sometimes we need to have the... Oh yeah, I know the issue already. Okay, so look at this one, the animator. So you can see the sitting. Okay, so this one has exit time. Okay, you need to put the has exit time. So means that it will be exit time and then goes to sitting. This one. So for our player, animators here. Let me check. Okay, have setting time. This one. I have exit time also. Check it out.